Chris Lynn, he's got this over that point region, and it will race away to the boundary for 4. As we've said, it doesn't matter whether it comes off the edge or not. It's the power with which he strikes the ball that Lynn is able to get what he does. 11 off 7.
Well, Chris Lynn knows that Musa is young, and I can put him under pressure early in the game. Just moving away from the stumps, although he didn't get all of it, he didn't get in the middle of the bat, but he's such a strong lad. Even if he gets the edge, it goes very, very quickly.
3 fours so far. We're into the 3rd over. He's got him! What a catch! It went like a tracer bullet, and he's got to make his way off the field, Chris Lynn.
What Qalandars don't want is that they don't want to lose wicket on top of a wicket. They've lost one. Just wait for a little while. Don't mind playing even a few dot deliveries.
Oh, that's gone past point. There isn't and a 3rd, but unfortunately he won't get to it. Another well-struck shot. This time it's... Oh boy, there's got to be better communication than that. And that's what Hafiz is saying. It's very loud out there today. And as we said yesterday, hand signals are not working. It's a loud call of no.
Well, he called him and then he sold him right in the middle. God, Hafiz is right. A right smile from his face. That he's got to be loud and clear.
Well, that's played beautifully. There's a man on the boundary, but unfortunately he goes across the boundary with the ball.
It's a very good surface. It's not easy for the bowlers. You give a little bit of room and you're going to have to pay for it. And that's what happened. There's a little angle on the bat. And the new ball, you know that it goes very, very quickly. Good effort there, but just a touch late.
Oh, that's edged away and will reach the boundary too. Boundary number 6. And as Waqar said, such a good surface, great outfield, and even edges are flying to the boundary.
Yes, over a saw. Since Hafiz had come, those singles are missing.
Oh no, once again, an edge finds the boundary. The match, and it's been put away in style.
Oh, that's massive. God, that was good. Sounded beautiful.
Hafiz batting up at 3 ahead of Ben Dunk, who missed out on selection today. Oh, he's hit that on the up for 4. Beautiful stuff this from Hafiz as the 50 comes up for Lahore.
Well, Musa was brilliant yesterday. Today is just...
Oh, that's a good response. Really good from Musa. Come in for some tap, and that follow-up delivery. We'll not look at the projected scores, because at the moment it says at the current rate they would make 206. They'll be getting ahead of themselves. It's way too early. 4.5 overs, 1 ball to go in this 5th over. Oh, how was that? Come on. Hafiz goes to 20 off 10 in style. End of the 5th over. And Lahore going around.
यहाँ से निकलना पड़ेगा लाहौर कलंदर को.
और हवा में गेंद और 6 ड्रॉप कर दिया. यही अपॉर्चुनिटी थी, मुश्किल अपॉर्चुनिटी थी मूसा के लिए. कोशिश उन्होंने की, लेकिन अगेन हम उस वक्त से यही बात कर रहे थे वकार भाई के प्रेशर नहीं डेवलप,
जिसकी वजह से गेंद हाथ को तो जरूर लगा लेकिन बाउंड्री से बाहर चला गया. और एक और चौका. रन्स खुलना शुरू हो गए लाहौर के लिए. लाहौर इस वक्त टॉप ऑफ द गेम.
मोहम्मद हफीज जो है, हमने उनकी टाइमिंग की बात की है, और ऐसे वाकई जब इनको आप इस तरह से देखते हो तो
होनी चाहिए। बैट्समैन इस तरह खेलता है, बैट्समैन उस तरह खेलता है। बॉलर के लिए भी सेम है। क्रिकेट इज अ गेम ऑफ फॉर्म। कई दफा आपके हाथ से बॉल अच्छा निकल रहा, ब्यूटीफुल शॉट, बहुत ही अच्छा, बहुत उम्दा शॉट। साइड है, टेक्टिकल साइड ऑफ क्रिकेट की है, उसको थोड़ा ठीक करना जरूरी है। ऊपर से खेल दिया, शायद 4 रन, 1 बाउंस, 4 रन, अच्छी बाउंड्री, 2 बाउंड्रीज लगी इस ओवर में। 89
pitch where you could find scores in the high hundreds, 180 even.
Got him! Just when we said they're well placed, the captain shutout strikes and the second wicket. Smash that and field in the boundary. You can just watch and hope because Hafiz has bludgeoned that. He's up. Oh, that is hit hard and is a fielder underneath it and will take it. And first wicket on T20 debut for Ahmed. And his teammates will celebrate this with him.
Well, delighted and rightfully so.
The field. Islamabad right on top.
Well, it's as though he tried to pull away at the last minute. I don't know if he really wanted to play at it. Oh, it was just big turn. Wonderful turn. This is a wonderful pitch this evening.
Hafiz should get 2 here. And that will be his 5th 50 in PSL, his first for Lahore. Of 34 deliveries. And he's the key for Lahore.
Bat on that. Lass has done quite well to touch it.
Straight down the ground. Brilliantly struck for 6. He's got the intent, he got the distance with 6 number 72.
New batsman comes to the crease.
More of that, please, from Hafiz. He has paced himself so well in this innings. 62 of 40 deliveries, and he's the key for Lahore. Oh, wow. Hello, Samit Patel. 6 to end the 15th over, 13 from it, 122 for 4.
Yeah, comes at him and hits him out of the ground. Only just.
Well, he was nowhere near that, Baz. Nowhere near it. It's good bowling from Ahmed.
He'll go again. And he'll clear long on yet again. Back-to-back sixes. And you talked about the boundary. It's just flicked over the top. Easy as you like. Just wrist into work and over the fence for a maximum. Back for 2. And there's your no. It's not a boundary. It's caught at the fence. Ingrams does the rest. He tried to hit this over the top into the stands. Never got enough of it.
Well, it was there to hit. He's very unlucky, Samit Patel. He gets that to hit straight.
Just sliced it away, square up the wicket, boundary.
Yeah, that's where he looks to hit. He wants to hit straight and knock them off. So with 8 balls left, can they get to 180? I think they have to get to 180 from here.
Slow one, smashes it down the ground, and one bounce into the fence.
Just watch how.
Oh, that has been pumped. Huge maximum.
It's another one of the go loop low 6s.
Yeah, no dinks. Just a big hit which has been caught at deep mid wicket. Nicely done by Ahmad Butt.
I think Visa thinks he's missed.
Hafiz 91. Goes down the
going to add to the HBL 6 counter. Has to be one of the biggest we've seen on this ground so far. 78 sixes. He's one shot away from the second 100 of the HBL PSL 5. Cameron Akmal yesterday. Experience. Is it Mohamed Hafiz's day today? It has been so far. This will be his third 100 if he gets there. 181 as well. Can they get to 190?